Hi guys, thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. As you already know, I'm all about sharing knowledge to you guys. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about Fibonacci, how to properly plot your Fibonacci on your chart. So let's dive deeper into the markets and see how I can help you guys. Oh, hi guys. Now we're going to start with the basics of Fibonacci. So you also need to know how to properly do it, how to properly plot your actual Fibonacci. So this is the basics. What do you need to understand before you plot your Fibonacci correctly? So remember, you can plot your Fibonacci in an uptrend, you can plot your Fibonacci in an downtrend. So now on my side, on my left screen, we're gonna do what? We're gonna try and make a nice example with a downtrend. So now as you can see, we have a market like that. So meaning now we can see that okay, it's a downtrend. It's giving us what? It's giving us lower lows and lower highs. So I can say down trend so that everyone can understand what I'm saying. So here it's a downtrend. What? Here it's a downtrend example. So now as you can see, we are having a downtrend. What? A downtrend example. So how do we plot our Fibonacci? So the basics of a Fibonacci, it says in a case of a downtrend, you have to plot your Fibonacci from your previous lower high to your current lower low so that you can get your potential what? So that you can get your potential new lower high so that you can sell the market. Remember, with the Fibonacci, it will give us where the market will reverse. As you can see, we will have our what? We'll have our lower high. Then we will do what? We will have our lower low right there. We'll have our lower low right there. So it says you have to plot your Fibonacci from your what? From your previous lower high to your current lower low so that you can do what? You can get your potential lower high. So now you plot it from your previous lower high to your current lower low so that you can get your potential what? Your potential lower high right there. You see, so now you're having your what? You're having the price that is gonna do what? Come and create a what? A new lower high before it leads to going where? To create a new what? A new lower low. So now if you can do it, if you can remove your Fibonacci, you can say that okay, this was a break and a retest. Sorry about that. It was a break and a retest. The price broke the previous support and now it's acting as a what? Acting as the current what? The current resistance to push the price to the upside. And not forgetting that okay, we have created a what? We have created your new what? Your new lower high. So meaning now, even if you were even using your trend lines, you are gonna have a trend like this, which is a what? Which is a downtrend. Then in what we call our support trend line, we were going to have something which is like what? Like this. Which is like what? Like this. So meaning you can see that the Fibonacci goes hand in hand with a lot of things. Fibonacci goes hand in hand with the what? With support and resistance. It goes hand in hand with support and resistance. So you need to understand a lot about what? About a Fibonacci. As long as you know the basics about support and resistance, the nature theory of the market, whereby it says it goes in a what? It goes in an impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse to the downside. That's how the market moves. That's the nature theory. Then I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna do an uptrend what, an uptrend example, whereby you guys can already see that we are having what, we are having a nice market that is respecting what, our tool, which is what, Fibonacci. And remember, there are other things that are needed when you are doing what, when you are trading Fibonacci. Now is the first lesson that that is gonna teach you how to properly do what, how to properly use your what, your Fibonacci. We still have to go deeper into how do we find entries on your what, on your Fibonacci. So now we are having something which is like this, and we said that okay, we are having what, we are having, I can say 24 right there. We are having our higher high, we are having our higher high here, we are having our higher low, and I'm just gonna do what, I'm just gonna repeat what I said in a what, in a downtrend. So they say now in an uptrend, ne, in an uptrend, they say for you to plot your Fibonacci in a in an uptrend correctly, you have to start your Fibonacci from your higher low to your higher high to get your potential higher low, so that you can enter a buy trade. So now we're using our what, our Fibonacci from our previous higher low to our current higher high. Then we do what, we get our what, we get our potential what, we get our potential higher low, so that we can wait for the market to do what, to basically come here and we'll move straight to the top. So now I can do what, I can move my Fibonacci and wait for the price to come to where I'm waiting, you see. So now you do what, you can use your trend line, you can use a trend line. You are most welcome to use your trend line if you are using your what, your Fibonacci, because it does work for more confirmations. That's how you should be plotting your Fibonacci. That's how you should be plotting your Fibonacci. That's how you should be plotting your Fibonacci. So I hope you guys did what, enjoyed the first part about how to plot your Fibonacci, and more information about Fibonacci still gonna be showing, and our next lesson is gonna be how to actually get entries on what, on Fibonacci. So yeah guys, don't forget to show me love by doing what, by subscribing if you haven't subscribed, by liking the video, by sharing it to other traders that you think they need help with the Fibonacci. I would highly do what, I'll highly appreciate that. So from me, Mr. 911, the best to ever do it, the best in the game. Shout out guys. Dango.